Are you dreaming of a garden filled with vibrant, eye-catching plants? Desert roses, with their stunning, trumpet-shaped flowers and unique, bulbous trunks, can add a touch of drama and beauty to any garden. But how do you ensure these exotic plants not only grow but thrive? Planting desert roses effectively is key. In this article, we'll guide you through the steps to make sure your desert roses sprout and root quickly, transforming your garden into a stunning oasis. Why choose desert roses for your garden? Desert roses are not just visually captivating, they're also remarkably resilient. These hardy plants are well suited for warmer climates and can withstand drought conditions. Their unique appearance, with swollen bases and striking blooms, makes them a favorite among gardeners looking to add a touch of the unusual to their landscape. Think of them as the showstoppers of your garden, much like a celebrity arriving at a red carpet event. Understanding desert rose needs before you dive into planting, it's crucial to understand what makes desert roses tick. They thrive in well-drained soil and need plenty of sunlight. Unlike many plants that require constant watering, desert roses are adapted to arid conditions, making them relatively low maintenance once established. They are like the high-maintenance starlets who don't need much attention to look fabulous. Selecting the right soil for desert roses prefer a soil mix that drains well to prevent root rot. You can create a suitable mix by combining regular potting soil with sand or perlite. This combination ensures that water doesn't sit around the roots, which could lead to fungal issues. Think of it as setting up a comfortable, well-ventilated space for a guest who prefers a bit of breathing room. Choosing the perfect pot. When it comes to pots, choose one with good drainage holes. A pot that's too small can restrict root growth, while one that's too large can lead to overwatering issues. Ideally, the pot should be just slightly larger than the root ball of the plant. This is like finding the perfect sized shoes: too tight, and they're uncomfortable; too loose, and they don't offer the right support. Propagating desert roses from cuttings. If you want more desert roses, propagating from cuttings is a great method. Choose healthy stems and allow them to dry out for a few days before planting. This helps prevent rot and encourages quicker root development. It's akin to letting a new loaf of bread cool before slicing it. Preparing it properly ensures the best results. Planting desert roses. Step by step, prepare the soil. Mix your potting soil with sand or perlite. Prepare the pot, ensure it has drainage holes and is slightly larger than the root ball. Plant the cutting. Place the cutting in the pot and cover it with soil. Water lightly. Moisten the soil but don't overwater. Following these steps will give your desert roses a strong start, much like laying a solid foundation for a new building. Watering and fertilizing desert roses. Desert roses are drought tolerant, but do need some watering to keep them healthy. Water them thoroughly when the soil is dry, but avoid letting them sit in water. Fertilize with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer during the growing season to encourage robust growth. Think of watering and fertilizing as giving your plant a balanced diet to keep it in top shape.